Hey everyone, it's Ajit from Software Tech. In this tutorial, we will list the best freelancing websites. Freelancing made up to 36% of US workforce in last year. No wonder the percentage is still growing. Freelancers can enjoy the freedom of choosing their workload, projects, and clients. So let's get into it. On the top of the list is Upwork. Upwork is a freelancing website that connects clients and freelancers from across the globe. The platform provides a wide range of categories from web designing and software development to customer services and accounting. Upwork has a sliding scale, meaning the more work, the less money you pay. For example, the commission fee starts from 20% for the first bill of $5,000 and gradually reduced as you receive more money. There are several options for withdrawal, including direct transfer, PayPal, and wire transfer. Second on the list is Toptal. Toptal is a freelance website that connects highly qualified freelance industry experts with companies. If your budget allows and you are looking for the top 3 of freelance talent on earth, then you might need to look at Toptal. At Toptal, you will find some of the world's best freelancers. Toptal has a dedicated service for time tracking and invoicing called Top Tracker. With this service, freelancers will get the total price they offered and receive payments via Payoneer, PayPal, and direct local bank transfer. The third one is Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the most popular freelancing sites. If you are looking for quick jobs that are affordable, Fiverr uses gig method to connect buyers and sellers. As a freelancer, when you sign up to Fiverr after updating your profile with your basic information, you create what is known as gig. Fiverr gig have a basic starting price of $5. This means as a freelancer, you can sell anything you want as long as it starts at $5. Depending on each freelancer's seller level, it can take up to 14 days to withdraw their earning. There are multiple options to withdraw the payments such as debit card, PayPal, and wire transfer. The second last is freelancer.com. Freelancer is another freelance website where professionals and companies from around the world collaborate on various projects. Thanks to the wide range of expertise, client can easily find an expert of any type. Every freelancer will receive full payment after completing a job. However, the platform takes 10% of the total earning like most freelance sites. You can choose to use PayPal or wire transfer for withdrawal. And the last one is Guru. Guru is a great freelancing website, but not for everyone, especially if you are looking for cheap services. Freelancers on Guru are leaders in their industries. How does Guru manage to get industry leaders? It's simple. They handpicked all the freelancers who work on their site to determine their eligibility and skill. Freelancers can bid for long or short-term projects and give a fixed price for each project. There are multiple withdrawal methods to receive your earning, including PayPal and wire transfer. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you to find best freelance website to start work from home. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming videos like this. Thanks for watching.